single clove, just one, holds more antioxidants than half a cup of blueberries. Yes, you heard it right. A tiny, unassuming clove. This spice, loved by many, is way more than just a flavorful addition to your dishes. Today we dive into the world of cloves, exploring their many uses and benefits. Imagine a time when cloves were worth more than gold. In the 16th and 17th centuries, these aromatic flower buds were a hot commodity, sparking exploration, trade, and even wars. Today, while not as costly as gold, cloves still hold a rich value in our kitchens and medicine cabinets. Cloves, with their sweet and spicy flavor, are a staple in many global cuisines. They're the secret ingredient that adds a kick to your garam masala, the heart of your holiday ham glaze, and the spice that gives mulled wine its warming character. But beyond the kitchen, cloves have a realm of uses that might surprise you. For centuries, cloves have been a trusted home remedy in traditional medicine. Their key component, eugenol, is a natural anesthetic that helps in relieving pain. So, a clove oil massage could be your ticket to a pain-free day. Moreover, cloves are a powerhouse of antioxidants, helping you fight off harmful free radicals. Ever had a toothache that just wouldn't quit? Cloves to the rescue. Chewing on a clove can help numb the pain thanks to that handy eugenol, and that's not all. Cloves are also known for their antimicrobial properties, making them a natural ally in your battle against harmful bacteria and fungi. Cloves are also a gardener's best friend. A clove tea sprayed on plants can help keep pesky bugs at bay, making it a natural pesticide. In addition, they are a key ingredient in many natural beauty products, helping to rejuvenate the skin and prevent acne. But of course, like all good things, moderation is key. While cloves are packed full of benefits, consuming them in large quantities can lead to side effects like mouth irritation and, in severe cases, liver damage. To recap, cloves are not just a spice. They are a valuable addition to your kitchen, your medicine cabinet, and even your garden. They spice up your dishes, help relieve pain, fight off harmful microbes, and even keep your plants bug-free. And while they might not be worth their weight in gold anymore, the value they add to our lives is priceless. So next time you see those tiny brown buds, remember, they're not just a spice. They're a tiny package of health benefits, culinary magic, and centuries of history. Cloves truly are more than meets the eye. Let us know your favorite way to use them.